The second question is the value of 18 cube plus 7 cube plus 3 into 18 into 7 into 25 divided by the denominator. Yeah, when you look at it from outside, it looks like some hard problem, but students, if you see this carefully, this 25 in the numerator, suppose I write this 25 as 18 plus 7. Suppose I write this 25 as 18 plus 7. Now, this comes like an identity. It is in the form a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now, we know students that a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is nothing but a plus b the whole cube. This is a very well known identity. Here the value of a stands as 18, the value of b is 7. So, therefore, now according to this identity, the numerator can be written as a plus b the whole cube. So, you can write it as a plus b the whole cube. Now, if you look at the denominator, now the first term is 3 power 6, the last term 64 can be written as 2 power 6. So, therefore, this 64 will write it as 2 power 6. Okay, now when you see from the second term, this 6 can be written as 6c1, 243 can be written as 3 power 5, 15 is actually 6c2, 81 can be written as 3 power 4 and 4 can be written as 2 square. 20 can be written as 6c3, 27 can be written as 3 cube, 8 can be written as 2 cube, etc. Similarly, this 15 is nothing but 6c4, 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 2 power 4. This 6 can be written as 6c5 because 6c5 is basically 6, and this 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. Now, why I wrote all these things is, and again suppose you look at the first term 3 power 6, this is actually 1 into 3 power 6, this 1 can be written as 6c0 and 1 in the last term can be written as 6c6. Now, if you see carefully students, this follows binomial theorem. Okay, nc0 x power n, 6c0. Now, okay, now instead of going it like this, we will see this. See the binomial coefficient 6c0, 6c1, 6c2, 6c3, 6c4, 6c5, 6c6. So, they are in order. Now, look at the power of 3. It is decreasing by 1. 3 power 6, 3 power 5, 3 power 4, 3 power 3, etc. Look at the power of 2. In fact, here there is no power of 2, it is 2 power 0, here it is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, etc. So, therefore, in a very simple way, the first term since it is 3 power 6 and the last term since it is 2 power 6, the entire expression in the denominator can be written as 3 plus 2 power 6. Okay. And if you now simplify this, 18 plus 7 is 25, so this is 25 cube. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 power 6. Now, actually this term and this term cancels. Otherwise, what we can do is, this 25 will write it as 5 square power 3 divided by 5 power 6. 25 is written as 5 square. Now, 3 into 2 becomes 6. So, you will get 5 power 6 by 5 power 6, which will cancel, and hence you will get the answer as 1. Therefore, you can see option D is the answer.